Feeling stressed every time your bank app notifies you? One small bill can derail your week. Wealth Logic. Smart money starts now. In the next few minutes, learn how to build a 60-day emergency fund even if you feel broke. The first mistake most people make will surprise you. Imagine having $1,500 in your account. Life throws an unexpected car repair, medical bill, or school expense. Without a buffer, small surprises can create stress, late fees, and panic. A tiny emergency fund could prevent that domino effect. And the solution is simpler than you think. Your brain focuses on today, not long-term stability. Scarcity triggers stress spending, ignoring future risks. That's why telling someone to save 20% often feels impossible. Open a dedicated emergency fund account. Hide it from your main spending account. Name it something clear. Treat it as untouchable money. This simple design prevents accidental spending and builds discipline. Next, we'll see how tiny, automated steps lead to real progress. Start with microtransfers, $3 to $10 per day. Automate right after payday. The goal isn't big money, it's building a consistent system. These small steps add up quickly without extra stress. Audit recurring minor expenses, subscriptions, app fees, impulse buys. Cancel or pause one at a time. Each small saving becomes momentum toward your emergency goal. Now, let's explore how to add a bit more income realistically. Use practical extra income methods. Ask for overtime, do weekend gigs, or negotiate small bills. Even a $150 weekend effort can give your fund a huge boost. Focus on achievable, realistic steps. Define emergency clearly. Health, transport, housing, essential utilities. Replenish spent funds immediately. This keeps your fund alive and effective. Here's a real-life example showing the system in action. Maya struggled with every surprise bill. She implemented $5 per day auto transfer, cut a few subscriptions, and did a weekend gig. Day 30. $320 saved. Her car needed repairs. No panic, no credit card debt. She now handles life without fear. Emergency funds aren't a luxury. They're essential. Start small, automate, cut leaks, supplement income, and replenish consistently. 60 days from now, you can face random surprises calmly. Subscribe to Wealth Logic for practical, high-impact money strategies. Comment below. What's the first small step you can take today to start your emergency fund?